All right, mate. GHX. Um, Look at the funding here. Massive selling and funding. Now, this would normally be a bit of a broken coin. I would say it's a bit of a broken coin. What is it? Gamer coin. Yeah, never heard of it. Um, so, like, honestly, I don't really like it because, well, you know, that was down 100% there. Uh, like down 96% or whatever, and that's not from the highs, that's from here. It's a bit of a broken coin in my opinion, but it definitely can, get some nice bounces. I'm just saying that maybe there might be something more fundamentally wrong with this. They might have money issues. They might have got a severe hack. Might have, I don't know what happened, but I'm just saying that it can be a sign of something bad fundamentally. But like all these coins, so there definitely can be a bounce. But I just think it's important to mention that. You can see, it's trying to do what a lot of these other coins have done, work its way into this trend line. It's not been getting much action, and then it work its way out. So you've got a little bit of time to wait. I don't think it's going to go straight up. I think it can go up a little bit, but I think that trend line will hold the price. Whatever, something like that, and then it'll break. But I think there's better coins out there. Maybe I'll be wrong. Maybe it'll prove me wrong. This this white 100 moving average is a long way from price. That's a long way. You know, is it going to do that and then do this? I don't know. I don't know. But I'm just saying that I'm not a big fan of this drop. Now you might say that all these other coins have dropped this much, but they did not drop 96% in one fell swoop. This to me, this is some issues. So and then your structure here with the white 100 moving average, the base. There's a lot of things I don't really like about this, and I don't mean to be too harsh on it. I just want you to be careful. As more than anything. Um, so just be careful when you do trade something like this. Don't take too much risk on. I could be wrong. If you have the patience and everything else, you know, maybe we'll move back up to, well, even to the top of the range here is 69%. So, maybe it'll go up there. I just think you need to be careful with it. QTUM here. This looks a whole lot better to me. Like, look at the difference in the drop and the structure and the nature of this. It's just a lot better overall. It's saying that at least the fundamentals on it are a little bit better, and charts better, the volume's better. I I do like the way we're holding here. Now, there's not been many dips in this market, um, as you can see there. Like ideally, I would love to see a stop hunt somehow, kind of that sort of move. That's what I would like to see. Now the market doesn't care what I like to see, but that's your perfect move. I'm going to set an alarm here myself. If we get this sort of move down here, I will be very very interested in buying this up for the next leg. You can see there's a bit of a bit of a high volume here, a bit of accumulation, but that bit of accumulation actually got a pullback. Um, So overall, I like this. The issue is, well, it's only up 4% today. After big beefy candles like this, I was going to say you need to be careful. Sometimes you can roll over. But here it rolled over. Big candle on top. Here it rolled over. Big candle. It still had room for the upside, and then we rolled over. What I'm trying to say is it. You can see the center point of the big candle got filled. The center point of the big candle got filled, and again, well, this just kind of rolled over. It's not the best example, but the big candle here, center point, we topped out, and then the center point got filled. So all I'm saying here is, if we have a big beefy candle here, are we going to get some dip in the relatively near future to come back down to fill this. Like we can go higher, but I'm just saying at some point the market may want to come down and fill this. So how would I trade it? I mean, well, you got to take it every day as it comes at this point because day over day we're getting candle over candle over candle over candle, higher and higher and higher. I would just trade the new daily candle. Like today, look for a small dip, and then if it does flip green, you can look to get long on that and see if this is going to continue. Now there is a triple top here. Just need to be careful of. Um, but this can go higher. It definitely can. We're getting back above this point of control. See this red line here? We're getting back above that. As long as we're holding above that, it's still pretty bullish. This can actually go a long way higher. Like if you want me to be honest about it, these moving averages can start pushing up here, and if this price holds in here, we can start getting an uptrend. This could just keep going, just like it did back here. You used to like look back here. You break up over these moving averages, you consolidate, and you're above all moving averages here, and the price just keeps going. These moving averages are all about to push up and start supporting price. So, like many coins in this market, this could be a very bullish signal. And if you remember, if you go to the bullish pattern in the professional trading sections, um, this pattern actually fits the mold for a move and for potentially for a move, back up here and maybe even beyond, right? And you may call me crazy for saying that, but you know, the pattern is telling me that potentially this could actually move up here to above these previous highs. So I'm not sure if you're a short-term trader or a long-term trader, but I would advise you to go and have a quick look of the bullish pattern in the professional trading section, and then you can get a better idea of what I'm on about. I know that seems crazy right about now, but it is possible. Just really need to see how the overall market develops. But I would take it one day at a time. The 3 day, if we go to the 3 day here, it's still red. I believe at some point there will be a dip back down. I believe that a push higher here will fail, and I think then we could come back down, maybe form a larger pattern before going higher again.